Tortugas is a group of small islands located approximately 70 miles, 113 kilometers, west of Key West, Florida. It is part of the Florida Keys and is known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and abundant marine life. The islands are named after the sea turtles that once frequented the area, and dry, because there is no fresh water available on the islands. One of the main attractions of Dry Tortugas is Fort Jefferson, a massive, unfinished coastal fortress built in the 19th century. It was originally constructed to protect the United States from invasion, but it never saw battle. Today, it is a popular tourist destination and can be accessed by ferry or seaplane. Dry Tortugas is also a popular spot for snorkeling and scuba diving due to its clear waters and diverse marine life. Visitors can explore the coral reefs, shipwrecks, and underwater caves in the surrounding waters. The islands are protected as part of the Dry Tortugas National Park, which also includes nearby marine areas. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including sea turtles, birds, and tropical fish. Visitors can camp on the islands, but facilities are limited and reservations are required. Here are some of the best attractions to visit in Dry Tortugas, Florida. Dry Tortugas, Florida, is a beautiful and remote destination that is perfect for nature lovers, history buffs, and those looking for a unique adventure. Here are some of the best attractions to visit in Dry Tortugas. 1. Fort Jefferson. Fort Jefferson is a massive coastal fortress that was built in the mid-19th century to protect the United States from invasion. The fort is made up of over 16 million bricks and is the largest masonry structure in the Western Hemisphere. Although it was never used in battle, it served as a prison during the Civil War. Today, visitors can explore the fort and learn about its history through guided tours and exhibits. 2. Snorkeling and diving. The waters surrounding Dry Tortugas are home to a diverse array of marine life, including colorful tropical fish, sea turtles, and even shipwrecks. Snorkeling and diving are popular activities for visitors to the area, and there are several guided tours and rental options available for those who want to explore the underwater world. 3. Bird watching. Dry Tortugas is home to a variety of bird species, including the magnificent frigate bird, brown noddy, and sooty tern. The islands are an important breeding ground for many of these birds, and visitors can observe them in their natural habitat. 4. Camping. Visitors can camp on the islands of Dry Tortugas, which is a unique and unforgettable experience. However, facilities are limited, and reservations are required. The campsite is located on Garden Key, and visitors can explore the island's beaches, trails, and historic sites during their stay. 5. Kayaking and paddleboarding. The calm waters surrounding Dry Tortugas are perfect for kayaking and paddleboarding. Visitors can rent equipment and explore the islands at their own pace, taking in the stunning scenery and observing the marine life. 6. Sunset views. The sunsets in Dry Tortugas are breathtaking, and visitors can watch the sun dip below the horizon from the top of Fort Jefferson or the beaches of Garden Key. In conclusion, Dry Tortugas, Florida, is a unique and beautiful destination that offers something for everyone. From the historic Fort Jefferson to the diverse marine life and stunning sunsets, visitors to the area are sure to have an unforgettable experience. Here are some of the nearby attractions from Dry Tortugas, Florida. Dry Tortugas, Florida is located approximately 70 miles, 113 kilometers, west of Key West, and there are no other inhabited islands nearby. The closest landmass is the mainland of Florida, which is approximately 140 miles, 225 kilometers, to the east. However, there are several other islands in the Florida Keys that are within a relatively short distance of Dry Tortugas, including 1. Key West. Key West is the southernmost city in the continental United States and is located approximately 70 miles, 113 kilometers, east of Dry Tortugas. Key West is known for its historic architecture, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife. 2. Marquesas Keys. The Marquesas Keys are a group of small islands located approximately 20 miles, 32 kilometers, to the northeast of Dry Tortugas. The islands are uninhabited and are a popular destination for fishing and bird watching. 3. Loggerhead Key. Loggerhead Key is a small island located approximately 3 miles, 5 kilometers, to the east of Garden Key, where Fort Jefferson is located. The island is home to a lighthouse and is a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. 4. Little Duck Key. Little Duck Key is a small island located approximately 27 miles, 43 kilometers, to the northeast of Dry Tortugas. The island is home to a luxury resort and is a popular destination for fishing and water sports. 5. Big Pine Key. Big Pine Key is located approximately 50 miles, 80 kilometers, east of Dry Tortugas and is known for its natural beauty and diverse wildlife, including the endangered key deer. These nearby destinations offer a range of activities and attractions for visitors to the area and are easily accessible by boat or seaplane. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.